This is my giant claw megazord. She's a giant lobster. You can open his claws. And that's all. Let's keep in the transformation. First, pop off his tail. And put it in his back. And put that down. And spread this. Turn this. And spin. Now she can stand. Put this down and this up. And this is the head. Pop off. And spread. Put this in his back. And this. And put this down. This is put this down. And this. Papa, short lang ito. And this is his mouth. And this, you pass this off and do this and put this sword here and this too. Now she's ready to chop. And this mode is just easy. Wait lang, malapit. And tap this here. And put this. Tapos